Alright, question number 1 in 5.5. We're still working with logs and exponentials. We want to solve this exponential equation. So the basic thing that we want to be able to do is rewrite both sides of the equation to have the same base. So we have 6 to the 7x power on one side, and that's equal to 36. Okay, so since we have a base of 6 here, we want to change this to a base of 6. We can rewrite 36, so that would be 6 to the 7x is equal to 6 to the second power, because 6 squared is 36. And once the bases are the same, you can ignore those, and this is the problem that we're focused on. 7x equals 2. So you just got a linear equation. You divide by 7, and we get x equals 2 divided by 7. Sorry, can't see. I typed in the box. Alright, number 2 says solve the exponential equation. So, since we have a base of e, what we want to do is apply the natural log to both sides. So just like we can multiply both sides by a constant, we can apply a log to both sides. And that's going to help us to solve this one. So we have e to the negative c power equals 3 to the 4 c power. Okay, so we're going to apply natural log to both sides to get rid of the e. So I'm going to do ln, which is going to be the argument of e to the negative c. And ln has a base of e, so remember. And then over here we're going to do ln, and then the argument is going to be 3 to the 4c power. So what happens here is the natural log base e will cancel out e, leaving us with just negative c on this side. And then we can bring down the exponent of 4c. So we bring down the 4c times ln of 3. What we want to do now is get the c's together so that I can find out what c is equal to. So I'm going to move this c over. I'm going to add c. So I'm going to be left with 0 equals 4c times ln of 3 plus c. So now that I have both those c's on the same side, I'm going to factor out the c. I'm going to factor it out. So this will give me 0 equals, I'm going to pull out the c, so it's going to be parentheses 4 ln of 3 plus 1. When you divide c from c, you factor out the c, so we got this. And then to get c by itself, I would have to divide by all of this. Now this will be some kind of number. The calculator can compute it, but when I divide it, I have 0 divided by this, which it'll just cancel out. So I have 4 ln 3 plus 1, and I'm writing off, sorry. And then over here I would divide by the same thing, 4 ln of 3 plus 1. So 0 divided by this is just 0. This will divide out, so we get c is equal to 0. That's what's going to make this work out.